everybody. It's about 9 a.m. on Tuesday, October 29th, and Magnolia and I are in the middle of Albemarle Sound in North Carolina. We're crossing over. We anchored in Camden Bay on the north side of Albemarle Sound last night, and that's a good anchorage. It was relatively calm. The wind was blowing pretty good when we got there, but not bad. And we're going to Tuckahoe Point today, which is where the Alligator River and the Tuckahoe Canal meet. And we'll anchor there, hopefully, if there's room tonight. There are a lot of boats moving. And then go to Belhaven, North Carolina tomorrow, which is up north of Pamlico Sound. We've been moving every day since last Friday. Have not taken any lay days yet. Friday and Saturday we moved down the Chesapeake, anchored next to Fort Monroe at Hampton Roads Saturday evening, and then it really blew Saturday night and was blowing pretty good Sunday morning, but we went through through Norfolk on Sunday and got through the Gilmerton Bridge and the Norfolk Southern Railroad Bridge number 7, I think, that are always a hassle, and then got through the Great Bridge Lock at the north end of the Virginia Cut, and tied up to a free bulkhead that the town of Chesapeake provides, and on Sunday night. And then yesterday we came down the Virginia Cut, had 3 timed bridges to make, and only missed one, the third one. We caught the 8 o'clock opening at Great Bridge, then 8:30 opening at Centerville Turnpike Bridge, and then missed the 9 o'clock opening at North Landing Bridge, and had to sit there and only missed it. I mean, I was 3 minutes from the bridge and the guy wouldn't hold it. Anyway, it may just be me, but I'm noticing a distinct increase in rudeness of bridge and lock tenders on this trip, at least in Virginia. We got some crab pots. Fuck. I don't know if I missed that one or not. Barely. We were doing so well. I had not seen any crab pots out here in Albemarle Sound until those. I have been across here, and they've been so thick that you could just about step from crab pot to crab pot to cross the sound. But was hoping that there weren't any out here. That could have just been a couple of strays. I don't see any more ahead. Anyway, we missed him. Barely. Okay, the plan for tomorrow, if I can contact the guy before I lose phone service on the Alligator River. There's 0 bars down there where the Tuckahoe Point anchorage is. I know that from experience. Anyway, I'm gonna try and reserve a transient slip at Grand Manor Marina. It used to be River Forest Marina. Now it's under new owners and it's called Grand Manor. And nice spot in Bellhaven. They've got electric golf carts that you can use to provision. They've got free laundry. So nice little stop, and so I'll hopefully hang out there tomorrow night and get laundry and maybe get a decent meal. Although I have to say I've been eating fine. I'm stocked up with plenty of food for this trip. But anyway, it'll be nice to be able to get off the boat for a little while. All right, well, that's all I have for now. That's the guy there whose crab pot I almost ran over, I think. Okay, I hope everyone's doing well. I'll probably upload this video right behind the first one I took, and I'll try and do them a little more often as the trip progresses. If you haven't subscribed, please do that and click the little bell icon, and that way you'll be notified when a new video hits. And hope everyone's doing well, and take care. And that's all for now.